Hello everyone! I found this old refrigerator grid in a pile of scrap metal and thought it could be turned into a handy DIY project. I also grabbed a metal rod. I had to clean everything up wearing a mask and gloves, of course. I won't go into detail about how I made it, it's pretty simple. I just suggest you watch this short video to see the process. Enjoy the video. As you can see, it turned out to be a great foldable grill grate for cooking over a campfire or charcoal. It's easy to take apart, set up, and adjust the height. You can even use a pan on it while the fire is going, and when the coals are ready, just grill your meat on it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments about this DIY project. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss our new helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.